till the sunrise, feeling so alive. Got a smile on my face, ready for the ride. No more worries, no more strife. Today I'm dancing through life. Every step I take, every move I make, I'm letting go, I'm wide awake. Feel the rhythm, let it guide. With open arms and an open mind, dancing through life with the world in my hands, spinning in circles, making new plans. Every heartbeat, every breath, living this moment, no time for regrets. The city's a canvas, painted with dreams. Every corner's a story, bursting at the seams. With every heartbeat, I feel the drive. In this dance, I truly thrive. In the moonlight, under the stars, we're all connected, no matter how far. Feel the music, let it ignite. Together we're dancing through life tonight. Dancing through life with the world in my hands, spinning in circles, making new plans. Every heartbeat, every breath, living this moment, no time for regrets. So come with me, let's take this chance. In this dance, a life will find romance. There's a music with every stride. We'll keep dancing through life side by side. So come with me, let's take this chance. In this dance of life, we'll find romance, romance. With every step, with every stride, we'll keep dancing through life side by side. Ever alive with the world in my hands, spinning in circles, making new plans. Every heartbeat, every breath, living this moment, no time for regrets. So come with me, let's take this chance. In this dance, a life will find romance. With every step, with every stride, we'll keep dancing through life side by side.
Hello, cat lovers! If you adore cute and fluffy cats as much as we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big possum like. Share your thoughts or stories about your furry friends in the comments, we'd love to hear from you.